Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Sonoff devices with Tasmota firmware, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Sonoff devices with Tasmota firmware, begin by gathering the required materials. You will need a Sonoff device, a USB to serial adapter, and a computer with internet access. Start by downloading the latest version of the Tasmota firmware from the official GitHub page. Next, install the Arduino IDE if you haven't already done so. Open the Arduino IDE and navigate to File, then Preferences. In the Preferences window, add the following URL to the Additional Boards Manager URLs field, http://arduino.esp. Now, go to Tools, then Board, and select Boards Manager. Search for ESP8266 and install the appropriate package. Once installed, select the board type according to your Sonoff model, such as generic ESP8266 module. Connect your USB to serial adapter to your computer. Wiring is essential, so connect the TX pin from the adapter to the RX pin on the Sonoff, and the RX pin from the adapter to the TX pin. Additionally, connect the GND pin on the adapter to the GND pin on the Sonoff. Finally, connect the 3.3V pin from the adapter to the VCC pin on the Sonoff. Ensure all connections are secure, and power on the USB to serial adapter. Next, return to the Arduino IDE, select the correct COM port in the Tools menu. Open the Tasmota firmware file you downloaded earlier. Now, it's time to compile and upload the Tasmota firmware to your Sonoff device. To do this, go to Sketch, then Upload. The IDE will compile the firmware and upload it to your Sonoff device. Once the upload is complete, disconnect the Sonoff device from the USB to serial adapter. Press the Sonoff button to power it on. Now, you will see an access point created by the Sonoff device. Connect to this access point via your computer or smartphone. Open a web browser and enter the IP address 192.168.4.1 to access the Tasmota configuration page. In the configuration page, set up your Wi-Fi credentials by entering your SSID and password. Save the changes, and the Sonoff device will reboot and connect to your Wi-Fi network. After rebooting, you may need to find the new IP address assigned to your Sonoff device in your router's DHCP settings. Enter this IP address in your browser to access the Tasmota dashboard. From the dashboard, you can configure various settings and controls for your Sonoff device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.